All right, here we are. We just got our payload back from 97,000 feet. And we're getting ready to open it for the first time. What will happen? So here are some of our juniors who also sent experiments up, and they're also wondering what's going to happen. I have with us today Evie King from
Lurie High School and MRGS.
Like,
or for the landing and recovery team. I'm the landing analysis.
So Evie is going to take us through the unboxing of the box. Ooh. All right. All right, Evie.
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna carefully flip it over, ever so gently, and undo these straps.
There's strap number 1. Strap number 2. Okay.
You need to take off these twist ties.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
We do. One moment. One moment. Special tools.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, now the moment of strap removal here. Okay. Okay.
All right.
All right, folks. Looking around the room. Look at the bated breath. No one here is breathing. They're all holding their breath. All right. What do you think we're going to find in there, Evie?
We're probably gonna find a bunch of cool experiments with very useful data.
That's a great answer.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Will there be smoke that emerges? Will there be stratosphere creatures that crawl out? What do you think?
I think there's probably gonna be creatures in there, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
We do know that our friend the alien did come back safely. Okay. Evie?
Yes, sir.
You may begin the removal of the lid. Ooh, wow. Look at all those. There are all kinds of things. Seeds and a really interesting looking strawberry and a baby tooth. And film canisters and fertilizer. All right, folks. I'll be sending these back to you. We'll be boxing these back and sending them back to you, to your teachers, and you'll have the chance to see what your experiment did when it went to 97,000 feet. All right, folks. What do y'all think? All right. Signing off.